Da, 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 da. Some people live for the fortune. Some people live just for the fame. Yeah. Some people live for the power. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Some people live just to play the game. Some people think that a physical things define what is within. And I've been there before, but the lights are aboard, so full of the superficial. And some people want it all. I don't want nothing at all. If it ain't you, baby, if I ain't got you, baby. Some people want diamond rings, some just want everything, but everything means nothing if I ain't got you. Hello everybody, I'm Vasco from ukulelechords.com, and today we're making If I Ain't Got You by Alicia Keys. It's a beautiful song. I'll show you how to play it in the original key that Alicia Keys is playing it in. If it's not matching your voice that way, you can go to ukulelechords.com and you can transpose the song to fit your voice. Anyway, let me show you the chords now. Okay, so throughout the song we need 8 chords, but 3 of them I'll show you how to play in 2 different ways. So we'll have higher way to play it and lower way to play it. So the first one is C major 7, which the first way to grab it is like this, and the second way to grab it is on the 7th fret with your ring finger barring like this and pressing the G string on the 5th fret with your pointing finger. It's the same chord but a little bit higher, okay? Then we have the chord of B minor 7. The lower version is like this, just barring the 2nd fret. And the higher version of the chord is not that easy. Usually it should be this one. But this is very hard to grab, that's why we'll just use the A, E and C string to grab it like this. And you can use your ring finger to mute the G string, like this, just not pressing. Or you can press it here on the 7th fret, because that way it will be the same note as the A string. Then we have the chord of A minor 7, which the lower version is just all the strings open, not pressing anything anywhere. And the higher version is the same as the higher B minor 7, but just slide the whole thing 2 frets down. And if you want to grab these chords very properly, you can grab it like this. Or if you have some jazzy way to grab it, I don't know, maybe like this. Definitely not easy ones. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we'll just use the C, E and A string. They'll be enough. The next one we need is the chord of G major 7. Okay. Also we'll need G sharp major 7, which I'm grabbing like this. A lot of major 7s here in this song, specifically this shape. Then we need the chord of E minor, the chord of D, which I'm grabbing with 1 finger. Maybe you can grab it with 3, I don't know. Choose for yourself. And now the most interesting chord is the chord of G sharp diminished 7, which is from top to bottom 1, 2, 1, 2, okay? Okay, so first of all, this is one of these songs that you're counting to 3, not to 4. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And we're starting on C major 7, but we are grabbing it with the second variation that I showed you. What you're doing is positioning your ring finger on the A string, middle finger on the E string, pointing finger on the C string, okay? And you're doing ring, middle, pointing 6 times, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you're going to B minor 7, the second variation that I showed you, and you're doing the same 6 times, ring, middle, pointing. Then you're just sliding this shape to A minor 7, the second variation that I showed you. Okay, and then you're going to G major 7, where you're doing it just 3 times. And now the next 3, you're doing once G major 7, once A minor 7, and once B minor 7. And you start repeating it all over again. Okay, let's do it very slowly. And again. And also on the second time when you're doing this, in between the B minor 7 and the A minor 7, you can do A sharp minor 7 just for one time, like this. And also the second time when you go to G major 7, you just strum it once and then you're ready to go. Okay, with speed, here's it how it should sound. Okay, and after you finish with the intro, we have 3 different parts. Let's see the verse first. You're going to G sharp major 7 and you're doing one up, sliding very quickly your left hand to G major 7 and you're doing down, like this. And you're starting the verse, all right? The strumming pattern that I'm doing throughout the song varies a little bit, but it's always around this theme, which is down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, okay? Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And the verse starts like this. G major 7, some people live to E minor. Then A minor 7 to D, E. And then G major 7 to G sharp diminished 7, yeah, 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 A minor 7, some people live just to play the D. I'm ending it with down, up, really accenting on the D chord. And then we go to the pre-chorus. Some people A minor 7 to B minor 7 to A minor 7, and again, from the beginning we go. And after the second time, you can do this a little walk from C major 7 to B minor 7 to A minor 7 and again back to G major 7. But for the walkthrough, I'm using the second variations of the C major 7 and B minor 7 and A minor 7. So this is this part. Some people think that a physical things define what is within and now. And I've been there before, but that life's a bore, so full of a superficial. And now we have another walkthrough, which is pretty much the same one, but in the other directions. So you're going from G major 7 to A minor 7 to B minor 7 to C major 7. And this is Some people want it all. In the chorus, I'm using the second variations for all the chords because it's a little bit higher, and this is how we're getting a little bit higher. Some people want it all, but I don't want nothing at all. If it ain't you, baby, if I ain't got you, baby. And again, some people want diamond rings, some just want everything, but everything. And here, in everything means nothing, you can go through A sharp minor 7 just for one strum. And everything means nothing. Everything means nothing if I ain't got you. And pretty much that's the part. Now you have it all. Let's do the play along. If it's too fast for you, you can use this YouTube feature to slow it down. Anyway, let's see what we're doing the play along. And that was my ukulele tutorial for If I Ain't Got You by Alicia Keys. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you really soon.